Alright, now we're going to get right into a game we call Mystery Train. Molly, here we go. One of you son bitches get the hell outside. Alright, Mullet's staying in here. Now, what I'm going to need, right now they're going to go on a funky train ride. And there's going to be all sorts of people on this thing. They're each going to be, you know, 2 characters or 2 things, whatever it may be. So right now what I need for Mullet, when he's right here, he's going to be a historical figure.
Abraham Lincoln. Abraham Lincoln.
James Madison.
Theodore
Charles Manson.
You will be Thomas Edison. And when Mullet is right here, what should we do right here? Object? Okay.
Toaster oven. Dildo.
Flavor Flav.
Toaster oven.
Killer whale.
Toaster oven. Toaster oven. Alright, let's get Tony in here. Alright, Tony. Where do you want to start? Right here?
I'll start here.
Alright, when Tony's right here, he's going to be... Is that close? There, now it's close. He's going to be a B-level celebrity. JC!
Griffin.
Now, when Tony is right here, he's going to be a fictional character. Any character.
Robin Hood.
Okay, so when you're right here, you're Robin Hood. And when you're right here,
I'm this dude.
JC Carré. He was a stand-up, if you weren't here earlier, stand-up comedian who headlined earlier tonight. Alright, so let's get Mullet in. Oh man, I set myself up. Hey, this is Mystery Train!
Man, it's hot.
Yeah, you bet. I wish all those rich bastards would turn the AC on.
Oh man, it's not on? I am burning. Jesus fucking Christ, it's on again! Holy fucking shit! Get the fuck off this train! You need to calm down, buddy. You're a little hyper. You're gonna give yourself a heart attack.
Yeah, what's up with him, Mom?
Mine.
Man, if he was rich, I'd mug him.
Oh, it sure is hot on this train. I do say it's almost like this is an electric train. I fucking hate electricity! Fuck! Well, don't hurt me or anything, you know. It was a good idea, I thought. Not enough violence, I'm just loud! I'm sorry. If you don't shut up, I swear, I'm gonna deck you and make you black in the eye, I swear. Give you a Black and Decker.
Any power tools on here?
Howard. I'm sure in the stations. I don't know why. I mean,
Well, if my neighbors weren't so poor, I wouldn't have to steal from that fucking sheriff.
that's a shame. Fucking sheriff guy! God damn it! Would you? You know, I was going to suggest to you early in the trip that you move to my home. You know, down in the park. But now I think you're a little bit too loud. You need to keep it low, man. Men low. Man. Thomas fucking Edison, get off the train! Is this mic on? I said get the fuck off my train, Thomas Edison! Get off the train! Am I supposed to know your name? I fucking think you know me! Oh, I know you. You're, what is it? Sam Kennison.
only ever seen around Gainesville, you know.
I know. You know.
Around the forest of Gainesville.
Maybe one day J.C. Carias will move on. And find a real job.
I hope not.
Maybe I could give him a job. You know, he's big and warm. You know, maybe if you put a piece of bread in him, it'll turn out nice and black in the end.
Oh, toaster. Didn't you ever learn? Probably wearing all green and shit. Didn't a fox play me in a movie once?
You know something? Shut up, black toaster oven thing. You know what? I do. I fucked your girlfriend, made Marion! Oh, no, come on. Don't say that to poor Robin Hood right here.